Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm so excited to share with you guys a new to me website. It's called Craspire, and they have the most awesome selection of wax seals. And I was so excited when they reached out to me and asked if I would do a review of their products. I've always wanted to try wax seals and I've never had the opportunity before. And I am so excited about what I'm going to share with you guys. So first of all, I wanted to share with you, this is the homepage. Right now they have a sale. Save $10 on orders of $70 or more. And remember, there's worldwide free shipping on orders over $50. And they have different kinds of wax. You can get them in the sticks like this, or you can get them in little particles or beads like this. And they have tools. So for example, you could get, twine that you could melt under the wax seal. You have these little spoons where you can melt the wax, little stands where you can put the tea light underneath the stand and just leave the spoon there to melt the wax. They also have pens, like paint pens that you can use to color up the wax after you've stamped it out. They've got a huge selection of stationery as well. So you can see they have self-adhesive stickers, seals, really cool stuff. And I wanted to share with you guys what I ordered. So first of all, I wanted a custom seal with my monogram on it. So I went on paint.net and I designed this monogram. So that's my last name, my first name, and middle initials. And this is the design that I chose for my custom seal. And what they do is they basically give you a sample image of what your custom seal is going to be like. You approve it or you ask them to change it or whatever. And the dimensions are 1 inch. And the wooden handle height is the standard wooden handle. So you can see here, that's the dimensions of the custom piece that you get made for you. And these holders, as you can see, are detachable and you can replace each of the heads. And then I also got this set. It's great for a starter kit. It comes in a really nice package so you can give it as a gift. But basically it has the little melting spoon, 2 tea lights, 3 different colors of wax sticks, and also a seal. This one has a design of a whale. The one that I got had the design of a clock. And then of course I wanted to get some dog seals. So I just put in the search tool, dogs, and they came up with all of these designs. I mean, look, for this little pug lover. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? A corgi. I think that's a Doberman, a beagle. I mean, they are so stinking cute. I love them. When I ordered, they didn't have some of those, and they didn't have any dogs that look like my dog. So I actually got the Chinese Zodiac Dog, and I really like that. It kind of can represent any dog, really. Plus, I also decided I wanted to get a paw print. So I got this one, which I think is so cute. And it comes in a different design. This is just a full metal rod. But I thought that paw print was so stinking cute with that little heart in the middle of the paw. This is the Zodiac Dog that I got. And then this is the close-up of the paw print that I got. And I am so excited. By the way, it's really easy to place your order. You just add to the cart, and then it shows you the cart, any special instructions. You put in your shipping, and I actually got this even with my custom stamp design. I got mine, I'd say within 2 weeks. This is coming from Asia. So, delivery times can be different based on, the mail delivery system, but they are so fast, and their products so far that I've tried, I've absolutely loved. So all of these products were packaged really well in a big puffy package by FedEx. It was shipped, and that's the little paw print with a heart inside. And I'm opening up each one of these little stamp seals. That's the Chinese Zodiac Dog. And by the way, I was born in the year of the dog, so that's perfect for me. And that's my monogram with my initials. And this is the full set. This one is the clock, as I had mentioned before. Really pretty, very well defined. These are the wax sticks in silver, gold, and red or burgundy. That's the little melting spoon. And then it comes with 2 tea lights. That's also really well packaged. Like I said, I think this would make a great gift. Now I'm going to move on to show you guys my first attempts at using this. So I'm just going to use a card front that I had left over from another project. And I am going to light the little tea light and then start just melting the light went out of the tea light. That's because I'm holding the little spoon too close to it. So you don't really need one of those little stands, but I think having the stand there would probably prevent the tea light from going out like it did for me a few times. But basically, I'm just turning the little wax stick inside the spoon, and I didn't know how much wax to melt. So obviously this first time I did not melt enough. It was a tiny little dollop, and I thought, oh, can I just keep adding to it once I poured it? No, maybe I'll just put the wax seal on top of it and see what comes out. And I left on the seal for about 10 seconds, and it came up really well. But as you can see, it did not, give a nice, clean, crisp image of the monogram like I had hoped it would. So I'm going to relight that tea light and try to melt some of that wax stick again. It doesn't take a long time. I've got this video sped up to about triple the normal speed, and I'm just pouring out the little melted wax again. I'm just right over top to see if I could fix it. And again, I did not melt enough wax, but I got a much better image. But off camera, I tore that off, and I'm going to try this a third time. And I'm relit the tea light again. And by the way, I'm working on a silicone mat. That's like a basic silicone baking mat. But I thought since I'm dealing with fire, that would be a safer way to go. I'm just rotating the little wax stick in that spoon. And this time I probably melted just about the right amount. And I figure I'll get better at this as, I get more experience. But basically, I put that little seal stamp on top, left it for about 10 seconds, removed it, and it comes off pretty well. And that's the finished seal. Isn't that gorgeous? So I took the scraps, I cut around where the paper had come off, and I remelted that just to see if I could reuse wax that I had kind of messed up with. And again, this time I put way too much wax down. This smaller paw print is about 1/2 inch in diameter, whereas my monogram was a full inch. But look how cute that turned out. I love this. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so excited to work with Craspire. By the way, these wax seal stamping tools fit perfectly in the Ranger Ink craft spinner for ink blending tools. As you can see here, this is how I'm going to store mine, and I absolutely even love this. It looks so pretty on my little craft stand. Go check out their website and take advantage of their fantastic sale going on right now. This is so much fun. I absolutely love this, and I hope you guys will too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day.